Hey guys, it's Susan Burns, the Portland makeup girl. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? Hey, thank you so much for coming here. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe right now. I am doing the fastest little eye makeup that you've ever seen in your life. It's dramatic. You can do this in 5 minutes and it looks great with glasses. The reflection is killing me, so I'm sorry that you can't really see. I can't figure out how to get light with no reflection on the glasses. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make your eyes more noticeable wearing glasses. I used to wear glasses literally all the time. I worked in a lot more stressful work environment and my eyes can see perfectly fine almost always, but they get really tired. So I used to wear them literally always, and it was such a battle for someone that really loves makeup to wear glasses, because I always felt like you couldn't really see my eyes. So I played around a lot with different techniques to make your eyes more noticeable. So today we're going to do a super simple eyeshadow look. I know every time I say simple, it's never simple, but that's just something I love about myself, okay? And then we're going to do a really dramatic smoky wing. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start by just doing a crease of just a little bit of bronzer. Go ahead and take whatever bronzer you use to bronze your face, and we are just gonna rock it back and forth in our crease just to make it slightly more defined. We don't want this to be a lot. We want it to be really simple, but we want to see a little color. Just because I want the same kind of tones that are down here up here, I'm going to take a little bit of my blush color and do the same thing. Alright, now with my fingertip, I'm going to pick up on a light tone color, and I'm just going to press that all over my lid. You could totally use a brush for this. I just don't have one next to me, so I want to be lazy. That is all of the eyeshadow I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do just a teeny bit on the bottom with just kind of a shimmery purple. Just using the Tarte palette right now. Wow, that was really simple. Like, what? Okay. Our eyes are very defined. So now I'm going to take an angled brush and I'm going to take a dark brown and I'm going to line my eyes. One eye done. So now I'm going to take a really light shimmery purple. If you're using Tarte, I have the Double Duty palette here. This one is so cute, it has every color in it, but I'm using the Glam Girl shade. And I'm going to smoke out this line only in this half of my eye. Do you see the difference? This one's just a lot more kind of smoky than this one is. And I like that trick a lot because you can kind of just throw on the eyeshadow and then the smokiness will just blend it really good. We are almost done. I'm just going to top that with actual eyeliner to make it a little bit more defined. And I'm going to be using the Blackest Black by L'Oreal. I really love this gel eyeliner. If you don't know this, gel eyeliner like this is actually like the darkest that you could go. It's a little bit more pigmented than like a felt tip or like a kohl or anything like that. So that's why I use this one. All right, you guys, it was literally that easy. I'm almost done. I'm gonna take my little curler now, do my lashes, do some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, that's it. I'm gonna throw on my glasses. They are literally so dirty. I'm sorry that you have to witness this. But here's the finished look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. Please comment below what you want to see next. I love doing what you guys want to see. This is a community channel. This is not about me. I would love to help you with whatever makeup questions you have. Maybe you're feeling like you want to do a red eye and you don't know where to start, or you know, anything like that. I'm totally open to. And I am holding my phone right now because I cannot get this glare off my eyes. So sorry for the weird angle.